Welcome to my channel Numan Tech Review. USA Student Loan Degree Level International Student Loan. You should always carefully evaluate how much money you will need to study in USA. Then you will need to research and apply for scholarship, financial aid from your school, and find money from any other sources, including family funds. After executing these events, most international students still have a funding gaps. And words where international student loan come in. What is an international student loan? Federal student loans are popular with US students studying in US, but they are not available to international student interest. International students are eligible for international student loan. Special private education loans available to international students studying in USA. International student loans are now a very way to finance your education in USA. Loans are very flexible and loan can offer loan amounts high enough for pay for your entire education, but were accepted repayment terms and responsible interest rates, so you can afford the repayment after you are graduate. Consignors. Most international students applying for loan must have a US consignor in order to apply. A consignor is legally obligated to repay the loan if the borrower fails to pay. The consignor must a permanent USA resident with good credit who has lived in the USA from past 2 years, who can assist getting credit since most international students cannot receive credit on their own. If you are not able to find a consignor, see if there are not consignor loan available to you. Interest is the amount charged by the lender in addition to the amount of money that you are borrowed. The interest rate is the calculated based on an index plus and margin that will add an additional percentage interest rate depending on your consignors. Credit to the two most common index used from international students are the prime rate and labor rate. The Labour London Interbank Offered Rate is based on the British Bankers Association and is the used on London interbank market. The rate is an this will be the total interest you owe. Where your application is approved, your specific margin will be disclosed to you, at which point you can accept or refuse the loan. Repayment will vary depending on the loan option you choose. Since most international students are not able to work well while the study in USA, repayment must be considered an extremely important feature in your loan. You will need to consider how much the monthly payments will be, when payments will begin, and how long you will be available paying back the loan. The repayment period generally range from 10-25 years, but the longer loan repayment periods. The standard repayments plan option are interest only. International students only pay the interest while in school up to 4 years and can defer to principal until 45 days after graduation or when the student drops their course. Loan or part-time immediate repayment on the both interest and principal are due immediately or once the loan has been despaired. What can international student loans be used for? International student loan can be used for educational related expenses such as tuition, books, fees, insurance, and room and boards. What is the maximum loan amount I can apply for? You can apply for up the total cost of education means others as and dependent your school. In order to determine your maximum loan amount, you will not to contact your school financial and office after you apply and receive credit approval for your consider your school must amount of the loan. When used responsibly as part of an overall education funding plan, international student loan can help to put US educational with reach regardless of your national. International student loan and study abroad loan, please visit them for information. Study in the US Guide. Choosing the USA State Guides application process for national aid from the USA, creating a big sources of national aid, international student loans, international scholarship preparation from your state, the USA way of life after graduation, religious or school in USA online degrees program guide to getting into a US college or university community college in the USA. Find my student loan. Are you a US citizen? Select yes if you are USA citizen of USA permanent resident.